Dear students, in this video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks to crack your political science paper and get good marks. You have 3 hours 15 minutes. In this 15 minutes, you have to read your paper twice and carefully select the internal choice question. In section A, there are 12 questions and each question carries 1 mark. So you have to give 10 minutes to this section A. In section B, there are 6 questions. Each question carries 2 marks and there is a word limit, 50 words for each question. So you have to write in this according to the question and in the points. So maximum 20 minutes and each question 3 to 4 minutes. Now next, move to section C. In section C, there are 5 questions. Each question carries 4 marks and word limit is 100. Now in this section, you have to write according to the answer and try to write in a points and underline the points also. In section D, there are 3 questions and each question carries 4 marks. This section D carries passage based, cartoon based and map based. So read the passage twice and answer accordingly to that. Each question carries 1 mark. In section E, there are 4 questions. Each question carries 6 marks and word limit is 170. So try to give 10 to 15 minutes in each question. Now 5 steps you have to follow to get the good marks in section E. Now first, you have to write the introduction. Second, you have to make the flow charts. Third, you write in the points. Then elaborate it, and last, write the conclusion. If you are giving to 15 minutes to this section, each question, so after 10 minutes try to wrap up your question, and in this last 5 minutes try to underline the time limits, underline the main names and the important key points, and then wrap up with the question with conclusion. If you're following these tips, you will get the good marks. So the most important, time management, word limits and flow charts. So dear student, all the best. God bless you. Thank you.